Good afternoon, Year 7. Today we're going to be carrying on with classification and taxonomy. So you need to open the Word document that you were writing your notes on yesterday and just carry on from where you finished. Looking straight into slide 2 of this PowerPoint, I want you to have a look at both the tables. Yesterday you would have written out the human and the ostrich table, and today in this slide I want you to research one organism of your choice. It can be any organism you want. Just make sure that when you fill it out you include all the correct pieces of information for domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Okay, all of that information should be easily accessible on the internet. Once you have managed to do that, you can keep working through the PowerPoint. Remember, when there's the green dart icon in the bottom left corner, this is a slide that you need to write out and take notes on. This slide is very important, splitting up vertebrates and invertebrates. Make sure you write down all the names. Keep working through the slides. Remember to take notes on the ones with the darts. These are the important ones. And especially when it comes to the examples of the 5 different types of vertebrates. There is a video for you to watch at the top. Okay, click on the link and then underneath take the notes, looking at the 5 different types. Looking at mammals, fish, reptiles, amphibians and birds. Once you've written those down, stop and check. Remember, you need to be able to distinguish between the different animal classes. Once you have taken your note on vertebrates, we are now going to be looking at the invertebrates, so those organisms without a backbone. Now, you don't need to take notes on all these, you just need to read through them and associate yourselves with the different types. So we have things like cnidarians, we've got flatworms, true worms, mollusks, echinoderms, and arthropods. Now, if you notice, there's a green dot in the bottom left-hand corner of this slide, so this is a slide that you need to take notes on. The arthropods are really important, and these include organisms such as crustaceans, arachnids, insects, centipedes, and millipedes. You'll notice at the end there is another stop and check, just to remind you that you need to be able to distinguish between the arthropods class, the one that can be found on slide 21. Once you have finished writing your notes from this PowerPoint, you then need to go back to Microsoft Teams, and on Microsoft Teams it appears as a draft at the moment, but when you see it, it will be assigned already. There is an assignment on classification, so please make sure you complete this and then upload it through Microsoft Teams so us teachers can have a look at your work and write and give you some feedback. Once you've submitted your assignment, you can then, if there is time, you can have a look at the Extra for Enthusiasts section in Year 7, and there are some articles and videos that you can start taking a look at if you have time, all about ecology, ecosystems, and also classification and taxonomy. It's all relevant material, so if you have extra time, have a look here. There is plenty for you to get stuck into. Right, that's all from me. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. We will see you all tomorrow.